Alright, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm gonna be popping out these rear quarter panel dents in the 240. Previous owner rolled the fenders and didn't do it correctly and popped a huge dent in both sides. I'm gonna be taking the rear panels out, putting a basketball up in there, and then pumping the basketball with air until it pops the dent out. If it doesn't work, at least you know what not to do. So here we go. Alright, here's the first dent. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's pretty bad. You can see it waving right there. And then there's one on the other side as well. It's like right in here. Alright, so now that we're in the car, I'm gonna go ahead and take this last bolt out right here. Sit it over here for now. Should be able to pop this panel right out. There's some clips in here, so be careful and don't break them. Just set this out of the way. It's time to get the basketball and the pump. Now that we got this screwed in, we're gonna go ahead and put it inside the basketball. Make sure you don't pop it out to the other side. Go ahead and stick it in this hole right here. I'm gonna have to deflate it some more, so I'll be back when I finish that. Alright, so you're gonna stuff this basketball as far as you can get it back here. And then we'll start pumping it up. Be careful when you're pumping that air because there's some sharp metal in there. Cut your finger just like that. Just gonna want to keep pumping the air until it's all out.
I see it moving. Yes! You did it!
It fucking worked.
It fucking worked!
Alright, now just hold the basketball in there for like maybe 30 minutes or so and let it sit so it won't pop back in as soon as you take it out. So there's the finished product. Still have to Bondo a little bit just to get rid of the waves. But it's a hell of a lot better than filling all that shit with Bondo. Way better. So I had an issue when I was closing the door. The dent would pop back in. So what I did is I just left the basketball in there, pumped it up as much as I could. And it seems to be working now. So I'm just going to put the panel back on, leave the basketball in there, and do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so now that you got the basketball up in there, you're going to want to go ahead and put the panel back on. Make sure the carpet's inside the panel. Pop the clips in over here. And then get your bolt right here. Put it down here. And the drill. And you're good to go. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe and like. Comment below if it helped you. Seems to be working for me, so peace.